going back to poor mindset, rich mindset. Poor mindset will spend that money on food, gas, maybe lottery tickets, stuff like that. Rich mindset, but maybe poor in terms of societal norms, will split it. So they'll use half of it to buy necessities, they'll use half of it to invest either in themselves, in stocks, in whatever it may be, not the lottery, and be able to then maybe make that money grow. But this whole romanticization of the rich being so much better with money is doing a disservice to all of the entrepreneurs who are starting up, who are trying to make it, who are wanting to build a better life for their family. Because, yeah, when you have money, you have time freedom, you have the freedom to lose money. When you are still struggling, you don't. Every dollar lost is a problem. So let's stop with this mindset and start rewriting how it really goes.